one another, no, I'm close.
Yes, I have shorts on, okay? You just can barely see them. Great, thank you. Because it was late and I was super tired, yeah, I freaking didn't film. But anyways, the next clips that you're seeing are from the next day. Yeah, so. Amazing. We're gonna get some Arby's, hey. If you look closely, you'll see my eyebrows. Let me zoom in. Focus. See, they're kind of disgusting. Here. So we just got back and I'm gonna go get to my bathing suit and go swimming because your girl May wants to swim and get tan and like it's so hot. I just wanna like freaking dip into some water because it is way too hot to function in this freaking south. But yeah, I'm sorry, there's a mirror, like I got distracted. Yeah, can't blame myself. Okay, so yeah, this is my bedroom at the beach house. I don't think I've ever showed it. A random house. Thanks, Dad. Random bedding, because thanks, Dad. My dad's clothes, because thanks, Dad. Yeah, just my beach bag, because, you know, it's a party, and just a whole bunch of random crap up here featuring my big brother, who was not so big, and yeah. So this is my bathing suit on me, so you can see, party on. Featuring my dad judging me. Nothing new in this household. Sadly. Party on my stepmom. See that chair attack me? That thing right there. It's not focusing, but whatever. You get the picture. Hi, Vase. Bye, Vase. Did some of us say thumbnail? Because I think, yeah. Yeah, I got a little ponytail in because I didn't feel like doing anything with my hair or myself today. But what's new? I had to wake up like super early. So maybe this will be my thumbnail. Cringe. I'll have to review the footage and see if I like that. If not, you'll get a different thumbnail. I feel like so professional. Anyways, okay, I don't have a camera where like you can like flip it out and like see yourself. So literally like every time I film, I'm just like, well, I hope it looks good. So like there's a mirror right here, so I'm just making sure like it's focused and stuff. As weird as that sounds, but it's true. This is also like one of my first vlogs. Shut up! I'm vlogging! Anyways, just at all. He's imitating my grandma. Which, hey! That's going in the video, and Grandma watches these, so she's gonna know. Yeah. She's gonna know. She's gonna know. I look like trash today, but it's okay, you know? You take your good-looking days with your bad-looking days, and you just kind of take them off. But oh my god, we are at 130 subscribers. Like, that is awesome. I remember when I had 8, and then now we're at, like, you know, 130, and that is so amazing, so thank you. And I uploaded one video this past month, and I have, like, 15 hours of watch time, which is like not, I was like, what? People, 15 hours, so like people actually like wasted time to watch me, like, I don't know, I find it shocking that people even want to watch me, because I don't know, I don't think I have a fun or interesting life, but I guess a lot of people do. So thank you to everybody who thinks my life is semi-interesting or different or unique or whatever. The reason is that you're watching. Thank you. Spider web! Spider web! I just walked into that thing right there. Not a very fun experience. My dad has these little boy doll things, whatever. And, okay, they're not meant to be racist or anything. If anybody takes it that way, it's a southern thing. Like, they're not supposed to be in pools, though. They're supposed to be in freaking ponds, but whatever. My dad has, like, always wanted one. He always saw them and stuff, like in ponds and stuff in Alabama. So when he finally got a pool, he was like, you know, I'm gonna get me one of these. I'm gonna get me some of these. So that's what he did. So, you know. Let's just take a second and acknowledge how many freaking bird feeders he has. Oh my god. Dad. Oh, why? I just got out of the pool. And I, am 2 shades darker. Wait, we're going to the beach tomorrow, and I'm really excited because I get to try on my new bathing suit, and I get to wear it, to the beach, and that's gonna be awesome, because, hey, you know, I'm gonna look like a goddess. Country boy, I love you. But I'm gonna probably, edit what I have right now, just because I have to edit so much and find, more stuff. So I'm just gonna do that right now. They're just chilling. We got 2. Moonlight and Smokey number 2. That's the names I've come up with them. Smokey's very chill. 2 cats chilling in my dad's grass, 5 feet apart because they like personal space. Thank you. He's just kind of relaxing. Oh, he's getting up now. I'm leaving because I got out of here. Typical May thing. Anytime I enter the room, all the males just seem to leave. Very big cat.
It's
See
nice
that spider right there? Yeah, I touched his web. That's a big boy. And he's scary. He's scary. I don't want to get near him. What's this flavor called again? Bride's cake. So anyways, it's the end of the night. I'm gonna go to sleep, catch some Z's. I'll see you guys on the other side. So I don't know what I'm doing anymore, but also make sure to like and subscribe. I almost forgot to say that, but you better like and you better subscribe because your girl may need support. Oh my god, I need to stop.